Hello and welcome to Live Automation Experts. Today I'll explain how a Google Sheet can be opened. Go to your drive.google.com and then click on New. More. You can see here Google Sheets. Open a Google Sheet, or you can open a new tab. Just type sheets.new. So it opens a new tab for the Google Sheets. So here you can check the spreadsheet settings, and if you want to go to script editor, you can go here. If you want to record a macro, you can record a macro here. And then if you want to protect the data, you can go to data, protect sheets and ranges. You can protect ranges, or you can protect the entire sheet. And then you can change the name here. Download the file as XLSX, open ODS, open document, PDF, or CSV. And then you can email the sheet. You can publish to the website. Similarly, you can insert a table, a chart, or a drawing. Just create a shape here. And if you want to type some text, you can type the text, and you can assign this button to a program. So, and if you want to add any add-ons, you can add it from here, get add-ons, and you can type whatever add-on you want, and then click OK. Just search for the apps that you want, and then click OK. So it will be added. Similarly, you can manage the add-ons. If you want to share the sheet, you can share it to the public. Here you have several options. Anyone with the link, restriction. So if you're going to send this to outsiders, you can share like this, and you can change the settings as commentator, editor for each and every person. If you want to add additional settings, you can remove the permission. Here editors can change permissions and share. You can uncheck this, and here your viewers and commentators can see the option to download print copy. So you can also disable that. So it won't be, users cannot share this file outside, they cannot print, they cannot make a copy of that. And here editors can change permissions, so we don't allow them to change anything. And then you can enter the name here and then click done. So in this tutorial, I briefly explained how a Google Sheet Outlook will be, and then you can explore more, and also I'll share more videos on Google Sheet. Thank you.